Do you want to create a professional looking background like this? Let me show you how I did it and the lighting setup I used. Okay, so what I have here is a fairly basic office studio setup. And I want to show you how I light this and how to get the best lighting and look for your at-home or your in-office setup, whether it be a YouTube setup or maybe it's for your work and you want to talk about your business. Anyway, so I have a 2-camera setup and a 3 lighting system here. Right here is my key light, and that's on a 45-degree angle. Behind me I have my main camera, and here I actually have a teleprompter. Now this is really handy. Behind that you'll see a giant, this is the fill light. That will just get a bit of extra light onto this side of the room. And right behind the seat I have is a hair light. And that's actually just quite low, pointing a little up. And when the person is sitting in front of the chair, you won't see that light at all. So the camera right behind me will face this, and then there is a camera on the side here. It is skewed by the view of my softbox, but as you can see, there's my camera B. Now that grabs a nice side angle, and having the 2 angles allows me to cut seamlessly between them. If people make mistakes doing ums or ahs, you can easily edit that out. Now I'll show you the result that we actually get with this setup once I turn on all the lights. Now by leaving this here and let everything in place, I could just walk into the room and have a nice beautiful setup to work with. So let's have a look. So now you can see the setup that we're using here. Because I had the window behind me and the key light right in front of me, and then the fill light behind that, you get this nice soft glow on the side of my face, and it looks natural because there is a window behind me. So that is where light placement can become really useful. Another thing you could do if you don't have a window, you could put a lamp on the side of you. That way the direction of the light looks natural when it is coming through the camera. And here you can see I've just placed a couple of things around to give it a bit of more dynamic edge. You know, I've got my coffee cup here, my book, a little marker, some post-it notes, and it really gives more of this business type vibe. Now that is the look I'm going for. What do you think? Now filming this on an angle, you get a bit more depth of field behind me. Like if I had this flat against the white wall behind me, that would look a bit boring. So the brick here and the window and all these little props on the table just make it look all that much nicer. Now I do want to get a little plant. There are many, many things I want for the future, and we will get to that. Anyway, if you've found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time.